Hi, I'm Amber Wessies, Instruction Librarian at Union University. Today I'm going to show you how to access an article using the Search Everything tool on the library's website. Are you trying to access an article using the Search Everything box on the library's homepage? Well, here are some tips that might help you. Enter your search terms, article title, or the name of an author into the search box. Then press Enter or the red search button to bring up some results. On the results page, you'll see the button that says View Full Text. Clicking this button should bring up the full text. You can then access the article by clicking on the title, opening the detailed record, and choosing PDF full text. However, this may not always work, so we may need to try some other things. Let's try another search. I may need to click the title of the article to see where I can get access to it. Here I'll see the check availability. There are lots of options for accessing this article. I can click one of the links and see if it brings up my article. You may need to try more than one link to finally get your article. After it brings it up, click on the title of the article to open and download the article. You may also need to try a different internet browser, such as Firefox, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Internet Edge to access the article. The Atlas e-reader works best on Microsoft Edge or Firefox. Lastly, you can try accessing the article using the citation information. Let's do a final search. Here, I want to open my article by clicking on the title. This will bring up the record. Next, I'm going to use the View Description option to open the detailed record. Now, I'm going to go to the library's website, then click on Journals by Title or Subject in the Quick Links. Here, I will type in the title of the journal and then use the publication date and the volume and issue number to find my article. If you need help finding an article using a citation, check out our Finding an Article Using a Citation video that's on our YouTube channel and also in the comments below. If you need help accessing an article or with research, ask a librarian or schedule a research coach appointment today. We'd love to help you. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you have suggestions for other videos, please leave them in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.